Hi guys, we're at Rowston North crossing Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Oh, didn't bang there. Time is 17:35 on Wednesday the 22nd of October 2014. This is for our 2 limit 75, 1741 East Midlands train service from Leicester to Sleaford. And the reason why I didn't get the amber light in that video is because my button froze. The button on my iPad froze, it wouldn't come on. Right, here's the plan for the weekend. Friday I'm off to Boston as it's it's half term. I'm off to Boston for the day. I'm going to get about 16 odd level crossings down there. I'm going to take my bike and I'm going to follow the Google Maps to see how to get to these places. On Saturday I'm off to Doncaster with Andrew and Shane. I'm also meeting a friend there, Adam Richardson, if you don't know him. Adam Richardson does train spotting. I don't know where he does it, but I'm going to go and see him and with Andrew and Shane. We're taking the northern we're taking a 144 pacer bus from or 142 pacer bus from Lincoln to Doncaster. We'll stop off at Bentley as well. I'm only stopping for this one tonight. Is for the #5 double tonight. Dinner's early at my place. Here she is. One 5 6 4 11 to Sleaford, yay! 1 5 6 4 11 off to Sleaford with another dodgy wheel. Good God, what's wrong with these wheels? And up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in tomorrow's videos.